Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. You know, Mazda through the years has had many successes. Everything from the CX-7 to the RX-8, the Mazda 3, the Tribute, the CX-9. But the most successful vehicle that they've sold, the most successful vehicle every single year to date, is the Mazda CX-5. This remarkable mid-size SUV has it all. It is the perfect combination for acceleration, for gas mileage, for safety, for comfort, for value. This right here is the Mazda CX-5. This is a premium edition. With the CX-5 Premium, you're going to get all-wheel drive. You're also going to get every safety feature that Mazda has to offer. That is including smart brake support, lane departure assist, radar cruise control, blind spot monitoring. Every Mazda also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, not to mention that mobile start I told you about the last time. With your Mazda, you're going to get a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. You're also going to get a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. But most important about that bumper-to-bumper warranty, it is an electrical warranty. So if the seats stop working, you're covered. If the infotainment system stops working, you're covered. Mazda takes care of you. Also, with every new car, you get roadside assistance as well. So if you need gas or you get a flat tire, Mazda is going to get you completely taken care of. Once again, with Mazda and all of their successes, the CX-5 stands above them all. This was 2022's best seller of all the Mazda brands. And there's quite a bit. You've got, once again, the Mazda 3, you've got the CX-50, the CX-9, the CX-30. It puts CX-5 above and beyond all the rest. With the CX-5, you're going to get 26 miles to the gallon overall, 30 highway, which is incredible for a mid-size SUV with all-wheel drive. Mazda's safety features are top-notch. If you look on Consumer Reports, Mazda's listed as one of the safest vehicles on the road right now. An absolutely amazing vehicle, wonderful price, great value. It will take care of you, your loved ones, your friend, but most importantly, it will take care of your budget. So why don't you come on down? Come see me, Jason, here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. And as always, I'll look for you on the lot.